Good job. Welcome to the video. I'm in SM Sukat. Hello there. I take a rest because it was a lot of walking. Well, I see you again. No, not yet. Not yet. Bye-bye. Guys, this is my two nephews, Chloe and Celsi. My older brother have two daughters. He used to have lots of money until they spend a lot of toys. Yeah, but for him, bye-bye. Bye-bye. It still continues. Why I keep saying bye even it's not yet finished. Okay, see you. Hello guys, I'm in restaurant now. Hello. I'm in restaurant right now. A Chinese restaurant that I hate Chinese, common as Chinese, not non-common as Chinese. Taiwan is a true China, true China, doon China. Okay, I will be eat soon. Bye-bye. I mean not bye-bye. See you. Say cheese. It's a video. This is my cowboy dad, and by the way, bye-bye. This is everyone. This is my sister over here. This is my other nephew. This is my Alaspian tita. This is my brother wife. And mostly my hate cousin over here, Ian. And my cousin Trisha, what I like. And my half brother Eric. I hate him. Don't repaint, Jack. This is the food option I choose. This is the drink. Ice cream. Hold on. Oh, sorry. Okay, that's all. Now let's eat. Okay guys, I'm eating right now. I eat dessert because hindi pa luto hotdog ko. I will put my hotdog on here. Okay, I will see you later. This is what I'm gonna eat today.
Kaya may napakainin mo muna siya. At ininin mo na lang.
So, you watch me eat. Let's see.
Bacon daw. Kasi pag ganyan itulog kailangan ka magluto.
Let's see.
Ano mo, Elsa? Para abang nag-ano ka, balibalik na rin mo lang. Para hindi masunog. Elsa, for good ka na? Tapos ka na? Ang dami may ano pa pala may ice cream saka halo-halo.
Huh? What is salmon?
Wala na kami. Tuwan.
Huh?
Tuwan. Para sa
Yung buffet doon. Doon ginanap yung 7th birthday ng apo ko. Sa 1
Ay, yung dalawa ni Elsa tumayo. Salmonel. Tsaka ano, cream dory. Dayan. Dayan ni Elsa. Kabak. Dayan. Yung salmonel yung wife. Sama kayo ni Elsa mga dessert. Sama ka ba?
Hindi ako nagde-dessert.
Dulo. Eh? Papaya, milon.
This is my pot, tita. Tita Tess. Huh? Nothing. That's the ghost one.
Think your bacon is good? You want to try one?
But okay.
It's okay? Sat ha? Ano ka? Sir? Ano? Tawag ito? Ipan? Flow?
I don't speak Chinese and I don't like Chinese.
Why?
You forgot in the news?
What?
They spray us on water in the East Chinese Sea.
Philippines Sea?
Yeah. Okay, that's all today. I hope you like this video and just subscribe.
Yeah, yung picture mo to. Ito, dapat yung picture. Ito yung
Oh.
this one. Gamit. Ito. Yan. Yung picture mo siya. Kasama yan sa ano.
I hope you subscribe this. I hope you like this video and subscribe. I see you in the next video. Bye bye.